I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts with a new update that was just rolled out on the YouTube app. So first thing we're going to do is make sure that we have the current version. So go to your App Store and go to your profile at the top right-hand corner, and then go ahead and click on App Updates. If your YouTube app needs to be updated, it will pop up here. So make sure that your app is fully updated so that you can take advantage of this new feature. So once that's done, come out of here and let's go to our YouTube app. And as you see here on my homepage here, I do have Shorts here. So the first way that you could have done this was go to this small little tab and go to those three dots on the far right side, and you would go ahead and hit Show Fewer Shorts. So you can still do that and it will show fewer shorts. But what we can do now is go to your use section at the bottom right-hand corner and then go to your settings at the top right corner. So under here, you want to go to time management. And now what it's showing is at the very bottom, it says daily limits. Now you have a limit on your Shorts feed. So once you turn this on, you can show a timer and you should have in this new update 0 minutes. So go ahead and click 0 minutes and come out of here. Let's get out of our settings and stuff, go back to our home page, and let's go ahead and refresh our YouTube page. And from this point forward, you should not have any shorts on your homepage. And as you see, as I'm scrolling through, now I don't have any shorts. If you still have shorts, what we can do is go to the Shorts tab at the bottom of your YouTube home screen here. And as you see, it says, go home or ignore limit for today. I have reached my short feeds limit. And keep in mind, we did set that to 0 minutes. Go ahead and hit ignore limit for today.
All right,
now you see the shorts here. So from this point, if it's still having a problem, what you can do is click on a short and go to those three dots at the top right-hand corner and go ahead and say not interested. And it's going to turn that short off. And that is yet another way to limit those shorts from popping up on your feed. But that's it. It's super simple, super easy once you find out where that setting is.